Hello everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper on a Monday. Yes, it's already Monday August the 31st 2020. We have here only one regular Sudoku. It's a medium Sudoku. In this newspaper, there is also an additional with extra Sudokus. I believe 6 Sudokus. But first, we will start with this one. This medium Sudoku will be number 1434. And every time I start with a Sudoku, I want to know how many printed digits are in the Sudoku. So let me count. We have here 2 plus 4 is equal to 6 plus 4 is 10, 12, 14 plus 4 is equal to 18 plus 4 is 22, 23 plus 3 is 26. Yes, 26 printed digits. And if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars Sudokus in the additional, this will be a 2 star Sudoku. A 1 star is 27, a 2 stars 26, a 4 stars 24. Alright, so you have a kind of indication of the difficulty level. It's not always the less if the number is lower, the less the number, the difficulty level will increase. No, there are several things you need to know. In the Sudoku, there are a lot of if a Sudoku have a lot of pairs, then the difficulty level will be increased. So it depends also with the pairs of numbers. Alright, no talking, let's get started. Okay, we have here in this big square, 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and the 5. In this row we have a 3 and a 5, so no 3 and a 5 in these 3 boxes in this big square. So 2 boxes left for the 3 and the 5 goes in those 2 numbers, those boxes. 3 and a 5, we have here 5, so no 5 there, 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, 6 is missing, and 9 is missing. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait for more information, but I will continue. I can continue with the number 5, 5 in this row, 5 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 5. Let me see which number I can pick. How about the number. Yeah, which number? 3. We have a 3 in this column, a 3 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And then 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places for the 3 should be here. Oh, there we see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this row. 3 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 3 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 3. How about the number 2 in this column, 2 in the column next, so in the last column, the only place for the 2 should be there. Then I cannot continue. Yes, in this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2. No 2 in these 2 boxes. There 2. No 2 in that box. 1 box left for the 2. Should be here. 2 in this column. 2 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2. No 2 there. 2 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 2. I need to wait. How about the number 1 in this column, 1 in that column, so the column between, the only place for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left, the 6 and the 7. I cannot fill this yet, but I will mark them for you so you can follow it easier. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing in this column, and the 9 is missing in this column. 4 and a 9. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. We have a 7 in one of these 2 boxes in this column. A 7 in the last column. So in the column between, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 7 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square. For the numbers 1 and 8, we see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and 8 goes there. Let me see. We have here 2 numbers left in the second row for the numbers 4 and 2. 4 and 2. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in the second column, so in the third column, the only place for the 4 should be there. 2 in the third column, 2 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 3 places for the 2 should be here, here, or there. We see here 2, so no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used. I can see. Yes, alright. Alright. How about no, I cannot fill this yet. 1, 2, the 3, the 9, and the 6. 4 and the 9, 4 and the 9. These 2 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and the 9. 6 and the 9. I cannot fill this yet. 6 and the 9. No, 8. Yeah. 5, 5, 7. 7, 7. These three numbers, the 1 is missing, the 6 is missing, and the 9 is missing. We see here 9, so no 9 there. So the 9 could be here or could be there. In this column we have a 9 in one of these two boxes. So in the third row we have 3 missing numbers. Those numbers are the 3, the 6, and the 9. The 9, we have a 9 in one of those two boxes, so no 9 there. Here also a 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. 3 and a 6 are left. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 6 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in the second column. So in the third column, the only two places for the 3 should be here. Oh, there we see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 2. How about 7, 6. 1 and 8. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 6. I cannot feel. No, we have a 6 here. 1 and 8. 1 and 8. We have an 8 here. No 8 there. 8 should be here and a 1 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in the second column. So in the first column, the only two places for the 8 should be here. Oh, there we see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be there. Then. 6, 1, and 7. 3 missing numbers now. One of the missing number in this column is a 6. 2 missing numbers here, the 7 and the 1. I cannot feel. Well, we have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here and a 1 goes there. 1 number left in this second column for the number 6. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 1 and 9. 1 and 9. I cannot fill this yet, but I mark them for you so you can follow it easier. Alright, 1 and 9. How about these two numbers in this row? Those numbers are the 1 and the 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 1 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place for the 1 should be there. Now we have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1, and this should be the 9. And all the 9s, and all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 3. Alright. 6, 7, the 9. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 6 and 9. 6 and 9. 6 and 9. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 6 goes there. Now we have a 6 here, so this cannot be a 6 anymore. This should be the 6 and this should be the 7. 1 box left in this row for the number 7. 1 box left in this big square for the number 8. 8 is missing. Yes. Alright. 2 missing numbers here. Can I fill this yet? No, I do not think so. 1, 2, 3. 4 is missing. And the 9 is missing here. Also the 6 and the 9. No, cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 6, 7, and 8. I see here a 7, so no 7 there. Here also a 7, so no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. The 6 and the 8 are left. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here and 8 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So the column between, the only place for the 6 should be here. 2 numbers left, the 9 and the 4. We see here the 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 4 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 4. 1 number left in this column for the number 9. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 5. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 9 and 8. 9 and 8. No, we have an 8 here. Hey, I've made a mistake here. 6 and I have here already 1, 1, 1, 1. This one is not to be the 5 and the 8. 5 and the 8. We have an 8 here, so this should be the 8. And this should be the 5. Correction! Wow! Almost made a mistake. 8 and 5. So 2 numbers left. 5 and the 9. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 9 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the number 6 and 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 6 goes there. Finish in 60 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe and hit that bell button or icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. I will see you soon with the extra Sudokus in the additional. So, see you later. Take care. Stay healthy. And keep on puzzling. Bye-bye for now. See you soon.